National team fast bowler, Shaheen Shah Afridi is all set to return to Test cricket after a long year away, and has his sights set on completing 100 wickets in the biggest format of the game during the tour of Sri Lanka. During the practice match played in Hambantota during the recent tour of Sri Lanka, when Shaheen started bowling, it was the first time in a year that he was showing the essence of his skills with the red ball since a year ago in the same Sri Lankan soil, but he suffered a knee injury during the Galle Test. Last year, Shaheen injured his knee while fielding on the fourth day of the Galle Test match, but he made a comeback in the T20 World Cup in Australia. Shaheen could not play the home series against England and New Zealand. However, after recovering from the injury, he performed impressively during the practice match in Sri Lanka, and after taking 3 wickets in the first innings, he took 2 wickets in the second incomplete innings as well. Speaking to PCB Digital in Hambantota, the fast bowler said, "I am very happy to return to Test cricket as I am returning to the same country where I suffered the injury." He said, "I have always enjoyed red ball cricket and now I am just 1 wicket away from my 100 wickets in Test cricket, which is of course very important for me. It took time to adapt to the red ball after playing the white ball, but I benefited from the camp in Karachi. Test cricket requires patience, and you have to work on partnerships with your fellow bowlers," he said. Played more white ball cricket last year, but was playing county cricket, so after the matches, also bowled several overs with red ball to bring myself closer to the workload. The fast bowler added that it was a tough time for me to be away from cricket, but time taught me during this period, which will help me perform in the future. Shaheen said, "I hope that we will start the World Test Championship in a good way this time, and definitely reach the final this time, because we missed it in the last 2 seasons." If Shaheen Shah completes 100 wickets during the tour of Sri Lanka, he will become the 11th Pakistani bowler to cross the milestone.